name is Carolyn and I was lucky enough to be Professor Khanna's model on Saturday at the ACE conference. I was completely nervous as there were so many people there, hundreds of people just watching, and it was my first time ever having anything done, but I was in the best hands I possibly could have been. I'm so happy with my treatment. I can understand now why people come from all over the world just to get treatment from us. It's probably the happiest I've ever looked with my face. As you can see from my profile, it is completely what I wanted. There's not anything that I would change. And I just look more feminine and I'm just so completely happy. I've had my tear troughs done, my cheeks, my chin, my lips and my nose completely sculpted. And if you can see, it just is such a feminine look and I'm so happy with it.